Reflux, stomach contents flowing backward into the esophagus, usually from low stomach acid, poor motility, or a compromised gut lining. Regurgitation, which is passive, effortless expulsion of undigested food, often right after eating, no retching, common with esophageal issues. And vomiting, that's active, forceful, involves abdominal heaving, and can have a lot of causes unrelated to reflux at all. That distinction matters because it's exactly why over-the-counter acid blockers often don't hold. They treat the acid, not the underlying cause. In dogs, reflux tends to show up as behavioral patterns that are easy to write off. Here's some signs to watch for. Morning bile vomiting, yellow foam, usually on an empty stomach, repeated lip smacking or exaggerated swallowing, a reluctance to eat or hesitating at the bowl, gurgling or audible stomach sounds after meals, and grass eating or restlessness after eating. Cats hide discomfort more, so the signs are subtler. Hiding or isolating after meals, suddenly being picky eating or having food aversion, vomiting undigested food hours after eating, frequent lip smacking or excessive drooling, and hunching posture at or after the bowl. And one important flag before we go further. If you're seeing blood and vomit, unexplained weight loss, chronic daily vomiting, or lethargy, that's a vet visit first. Those need a diagnosis before any supplement protocol. Now, effective reflux support isn't one supplement. It's a layered approach. Think first aid, then a bridge, then the actual fix. Step 1, coat and soothe. Mucilage herbs like slippery elm, marshmallow root, and DGL licorice form a protective coating over the esophagus and stomach lining. This is fast-acting relief during an active flare. Step 2, support motility and acid balance. Ginger, fennel, and peppermint all help move food through the digestive tract and ease gas pressure. Where stomach acid is genuinely low, HCl and digestive enzyme support can help restore proper breakdown. And step 3, repair and rebalance the gut. Probiotics, L-glutamine, and NAG work long-term to restore gut lining integrity and microbial balance. This is the actual fix, not just symptom management. So here's the piece that gets missed. A compromised gut lining is often the root cause of recurring reflux. When the mucosal barrier is thin or inflamed, acid irritation cycles continuously, even when acid levels are completely normal. Addressing lining integrity is what separates short-term relief from something that actually lasts. So, let's talk about coating and soothing first. Step 1, first aid. Use Adored Beast Gut Soothes, which combines DHL licorice and marshmallow root to coat the esophagus and stomach lining, calm inflammation, and protect irritated tissue. Best for acute flare-ups. Use it when reflux is actively happening. It works quickly and it's safe for both dogs and cats. The key ingredients, this is hard to say, deglycerinated licorice, marshmallow root, slippery elm. All mucilaginous herbs that physically coat and protect. No systemic acid suppression, and calms and soothes the gut lining. Step 2 is bridge support. Animal Essentials Daily Digestion is a liquid herbal blend with peppermint, fennel, ginger, and chamomile. It's a class of digestive quartet. Ginger and fennel encourage gastric motility, so food moves forward instead of backward. Chamomile calms intestinal spasms. Peppermint eases the gas pressure that can drive reflux episodes. It's best for reflux that shows up with visible gas, bloating, or gurgling. Give it before meals to help prime digestion. Step 3 is the actual fix. ThorneVet Gut Health Formula combines L-glutamine, NAG, and probiotics in a clinically focused formula. L-glutamine is the primary fuel for intestinal epithelial cells and directly supports lining and repair. NAG promotes mucus production. Probiotics rebalance the microbiome that reflux and acid blockers disrupt. Best for recurring reflux tied to gut permeability, post-antibiotic disruption, or long-term leaky gut patterns. Earth Animal Healthy Digestion Powder is a gentler daily option. It's FOS prebiotics, NAG, and probiotics. FOS selectively feeds beneficial bacteria, supporting a resilient microbiome without an aggressive intervention. Easy to mix into food and palatable for most cats and small dogs. Best for daily maintenance, milder or early stage cases, and for cats who have frequent stomach upsets. So, how does all this come together? Start with coating if it's an active flare right now. That's Adored Beast Gut Soothe during or right after an episode to protect the lining. Add motility support before each meal. Animal Essentials Daily Digestion to prime the gut and reduce gas pressure. And every day, keep a repair supplement going as your foundation. ThorneVet Gut Health or Earth Animal Powder for lasting gut integrity. Here's your comparison table. Gut Soothe for active flares, Daily Digestion for gas and bloating, ThorneVet Gut Health for recurring or leaky gut pattern reflux, Earth Animal for daily maintenance, especially in cats. All 4 of these are in stock at the Big Bad Woof. The link is in the description. And if you want a protocol built specifically for your dog's or cat's case, that's exactly what I do in Woof Nutrition Coaching. Links there too. Subscribe for evidence-informed holistic pet care every week. Real answers, no fluff. And one last thing. Always check with your vet before starting any new supplement protocol, especially if your pet has underlying health conditions or is on medication.